machine-MADEINLK Environmental Protection Technology Company Limited is located in Linyi City, Shandong Province, adjacent to Linyi North exit and entrance of Beijing-Shanghai Expressway. Our company takes an area of 240,000 square meters with registered capital 10 millions. It is referred to as LINK Manufacturing for short and has more than 400 employees, consisting of more than 30 senior engineers, 150 senior artisans, and more than 120 professionals with a bachelor or above degree. The company has set up the Intelligent R&D Center, Electric R&D Center, Machinery R&D Center, Machining Business Division, Automation Equipment Business Division, Animal Husbandry Equipment Business Division, and Injection Molding Business Division. With automation, digitalization, and informatization as its core R&D direction, the company is committed to improving the production automation level of food industry continuously. Its business scope covers the research and development, production, sales, and service of complete automation equipment for meat and food industry. Our main products include full automatic sausage filling machine, self-propelled feeding pump, automatic loading, unloading, and cargo turnaround system of retort sterilizer, intelligent sterilization control system, continuous pasteurization cooling and drying line, integrated full automatic drying and cooling machine, full automatic bagged and bulk food carton packing machine, robot carton loading system, robot stacking system, full automatic carton forming machine, automatic carton folding and sealing machine, automatic weight checking machine, liquid material quantitative weighing machine, powder material quantitative weighing machine, conveying equipment, cold spurting and quality detection machine, and other advanced food industry equipment. All of the LINK products are designed according to the principles of safety, hygiene, energy saving, stability, efficiency, intelligence, and convenient operation. LINK always adhere to the operation principle of scientific and technology creating the quality, integrity casting the brand views customers as the partner, insists on producing the best products and serving the customers, and provides customers with complete production line design and solutions so as to cooperate with customer in a win-win mode for common development. At present, LINK has provided thousands of automatic production lines for customers with sales network throughout China, Southeast Asia, South America, Europe and Russia, and more than 50 countries and regions. LINK owns 42 national patents, in which many are first in the industry and leading the world. So it is awarded as the national level high and new technology enterprise. LINK has independent after-sales service department, establishes a perfect after-sales service system, and provides professional installation and debugging services and lifelong technical support to free the customers from worries during using our products.